Tesla's secret update has unlocked a revolutionary set of hidden features most owners don't even know exist. Some of these can change how you charge, how you interact with your car, and even how the car thinks and guides you, but Tesla didn't put them in the main release notes. Today, we're revealing shocking hidden features now rolling out across Tesla vehicles worldwide. Tesla's over-the-air updates aren't just bug fixes. Over the past year, Tesla has packed major hidden functionality into its 2025 series releases, and if you're not hunting for them, you might never discover them. One of the coolest hidden additions people are missing is the new live supercharging activity for iPhone users. The moment your car plugs into a supercharger, your lock screen can show real-time charge levels, estimated cost, time remaining, and energy added. It works without opening the Tesla app and is incredibly helpful during road trips or at crowded charging stations where idle fees can kick in fast. Another hidden update is Grok AI inside the vehicle. Tesla's latest software quietly added conversational AI to the cabin, letting you ask natural language questions, request points of interest, or get navigation suggestions. While Grok can't control vehicle functions yet, it turns the Tesla into a voice-enabled assistant that can guide, recommend, and inform in real time. Over time, Tesla is expected to let Grok directly manipulate destinations and routing, making the car smarter simply through software. Then there's LightSync, an update Tesla barely mentioned. Interior ambient lighting now reacts to music and album artwork, converting the cabin into a visual mood experience that shifts with your soundtrack. It's not just for parked mode either. Owners report it works while driving, creating an immersive layer of personalization Tesla never promoted publicly. Dashcam Viewer also received a hidden improvement. Playback can now be sped up or slowed down with new controls on the touchscreen. If you use Sentry Mode for evidence or to review parking lot hits, this makes it far easier to scrub through clips. Owners also noticed new live updates for dog mode. While most people only know that dog mode keeps your pet cool, Tesla pushed a quiet enhancement where climate details and cabin temperature now show up remotely in the app, so you can check on your pet without approaching the car. Again, Tesla didn't put this in their mainstream press notes. Matrix adaptive headlights landed too. This feature, previously blocked in North America due to old regulations, now uses beam shaping tech to increase visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. It's the kind of premium lighting system usually found in higher-end German vehicles, but Tesla rolled it out silently to supported models. Navigation received significant intelligence boosts. Tesla now shows new contextual info for superchargers, including if a charger requires valet access, paid parking, garage levels, or security codes. City charging can be a maze, and this unlocks critical information that saves time, frustration, and EV anxiety. There were also unannounced lock and safety alerts. Owners now get notifications when someone locks the car while a paired phone key is still inside. And Tesla tightened how remote unlocking works through the app for better privacy and safety. These alerts weren't glamorous enough for advertising, but they directly improve real-world usability. In Service Mode Plus, thermal component diagnostics and seat actuator controls appeared. Most owners will never see these menus, but they reveal Tesla's growing ecosystem of onboard diagnostic tools that could help technicians and advanced users analyze motor temperatures, coolant performance, and actuator behavior all from the screen. For enthusiasts, this is a window into how Tesla prepares for long-term self-diagnostics. Tesla also pushed new visual treats including updated Unreal Engine-based car models, rotatable 3D perspectives, custom wrap colors, and personalized license plates within menus. These are not groundbreaking for performance, but they make the interface feel premium and modern. Aesthetic updates matter more in cars that age primarily through software, and Tesla understands this better than traditional automakers. The holiday update hid multiple Easter eggs as usual: sauna mode, synchronized light shows, animation updates, and toy box items activated through voice commands like "ho ho ho" or "let it snow." Tesla fans already expect these seasonal surprises, but Tesla rarely documents how to activate them, making discovery part of the experience. The reason these hidden features matter is simple. Tesla continues to extend the life and value of vehicles without requiring new hardware. Features that used to demand facelift refreshes or dealership visits now arrive overnight through Wi-Fi. Owners wake up to cars that charge smarter, navigate smarter, entertain better, and communicate more intelligently. Most car companies release updates once or twice a year through expensive service intervals. Tesla releases dozens, often every few weeks. And the biggest improvements are frequently the ones they don't advertise, the ones that quietly change how the car is used. So if your Tesla just got a new software prompt, don't tap install and ignore it. Dig through the menus, test charging behavior, explore dog mode, check navigation details, and try new lighting controls. Because the real power of a Tesla isn't just in the motors or battery, it's in the hidden software that's constantly evolving under your fingertips. Want more Tesla update breakdowns, hidden features, and real testing? Hit like, subscribe, and stick around as we dig deeper into the most advanced car software ecosystem on the planet.